This is just an experiment, mind you. I don't really smoke this.
Well, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he was the last and final messenger sent after God. Even Jesus, peace be upon him, said that there's a man coming after me.
We now have another powerful tool in the toolbox.
This can cause mouth cancer.
We put our country first.
Whatever you want to call it, it kills.
We all wear the uniform.
Guys, want some beer? Yeah!
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do it. It's just not my thing.
Why not? What's wrong with the idea? What's wrong?
Everything will be fine.
You guys keep saying you're my friends, and don't peer pressure me. You know I don't do those kind of things.
And I'm here to prove to you this kills.
Stand ready in harm's way. As we continue to make payments towards the cost of war and the price of peace, stability has become a familiar casualty during the global war on terrorism. Separation from loved ones is a routine part of our profession that we've come to expect.